Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can see someone's profile picture in full size from Instagram. So all you have to do is just go to their profile and then click on the three dots on top right corner, and then a list of options will appear. Just click on this option of copy profile URL, and after copying this URL, go to your browser, and in the browser search for InstaFinsta. Yes, InstaFinsta. Then click on this very first URL that you are getting from Google. And after opening this, then select DP option here. Remove the ad. And then paste the link that we have copied from the profile. Then click on search. Let it search for this profile and all the other options. Then you will see this option of download and view. You will also see these following details from the account that we have copied. Then just click on view and see it is the same profile that we saw on Instagram. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.